Hello and welcome back to part 4 of our European holiday towing our twin axle caravan. We're a family of 3. There's me, Helen, my husband Jamie and our preteen Maisie, as well as our toy cockapoo Trixie. As we left Europa Park and left Germany, there were queues at the German border as we crossed back into France. They were pulling people over and doing checks. Now when we crossed over from France into Germany, we sailed through and there weren't any checks, but just be aware that at some border crossings there will be checks. We were on our way to stay at our first municipal campsite. A municipal campsite in France is a camping site that's owned and managed by a local authority, and it's typically the town or commune rather than by private companies. The aim is to encourage tourism, support the local economy. When we arrived, we had a choice of pictures and we got to choose any one we wanted. As we're only here for one night, we didn't really set up. We simply put some chairs out to sit on and the cool box outside. Hello everyone and welcome back. We're pitched up here at a municipal site in Masson, or is it Macon? Let me know in the comments how you would say it. Pardon my French. It's a lovely site. We arrived here just after 3 o'clock, having left Europa Park just before 11. So it took us just over 4 hours. We had a really good run, which was good. When we arrived, I checked in at reception. At first, she queried the date. That's because we are booked for one night on our return journey back up to Calais. It is a busy site. Lots of people were arriving after us. There seemed to be a huge influx of people. Many people seem to be staying just for one night as they've kept their caravan hitched onto their car. We haven't. We'll do that first thing in the morning as we head off further south. The site looks very nice. For saying this is our first experience of a municipal site, there are 3 toilet and shower blocks. You do need to bring your own toilet roll, typical French campsite. There is a swimming pool as well. Unfortunately, when Maisie and I went for a swim, the heavens opened and it poured down. There is also a bar and restaurant on site, which we were told opens about 6 o'clock. We, however, have just returned from walking just over the main road from the site to Lidl to get some bits for breakfast in the morning, and we nipped into McDonald's and picked up something to eat. The McDonald's seemed to be very popular with everyone from the campsite, as it is literally just across the way. There's also a buffalo grill as well. It's ideally positioned, this campsite, as it's not far at all from the motorway. I think you probably could walk into Masson. We're not. We're just going to have a chilled out evening, ready for another long drive tomorrow. But let me show you around the site. If you stayed at Municipal site before, or maybe this one before, let me know in the comments and how you find them. This was really good value. It was €34 for the three of us and Trixie for the night. And so far we've been really impressed by it. It's just a shame about the weather as the heavens just keep on opening and pouring with rain. We have left Masson Municipal site. It certainly changed the caravan site as the day went on. By the time we pitched up, lots more caravans arrived. In fact, it was one of the first caravan sites we've been to where it was mainly caravans and not very many motorhomes. And it was full by the evening. In fact, it was so full that some people had pitched right in front of the toilet and shower facilities, which I don't think are even a pitch. However, it did seem to quieten down, but then about 1 o'clock in the morning I was woken up by boy racers on the main road, and then I could hear a nightclub and it was music banging for a good few hours. Normally I sleep through things like that, but I couldn't. Would I stop there again? Well, we are booked in for there, but I don't know, I might look and see if we can get in anywhere else, but we'll see. Anyway, we set off about 8:30 and now we are heading south for Port Grimaud to Camping de la Plage. Maybe I'm just being a bit dramatic and we probably picked the wrong night to stay at that municipal site. It is ideally located though for the toll roads. I thought I'd share with you our experience of the French toll roads. Now, we don't have a tag. Luckily, we've never really had to queue at any toll booths either. And I don't really feel it's too inconvenient to put my window down, collect a ticket and pay for it as we go. We like to pay as we go rather than have a toll bill when we get home. We have seen lots of outfits having to reverse at toll booths because their tag hasn't registered or their batteries may have gone in their toll tag. We don't mind paying for toll roads as it means that we get access to these airs, which are brilliant. There's plenty of space to park your caravan, they have picnic areas, toilets and even showers. They're also really well located, far away from the live lane of traffic on the motorway. €17.30. £65 in tolls today. It's Friday today and I've been editing this video that goes out on Sunday. I thought I'd pop on and just say that our friends have just stopped at the same municipal site in Masson last night. So that was a Thursday night. When we stopped, it was a Saturday night. And my friend messaged me and she said it was chaos. So at least I know it wasn't just our experience, they've also experienced it as well. They said that they arrived there about 4 o'clock. And they went straight to the McDonald's after pitching up, and when they came back it was a lot busier, and they said people were still arriving about 8 o'clock at night. It was very busy, and she said that she could also hear very loud music until about 3 o'clock in the morning, so it must be near a nightclub. They said they didn't bother going to the swimming pool because it was really busy. Now, my friend's daughter actually stayed in a tent there a few years back, in September, and she's had a totally different experience. It wasn't as busy as we found it this summer, so maybe it's just a one-off and it's this summer. It hasn't put me off staying at a municipal site, because I really like the concept of them as they're just trying to help the local economy, and they are an affordable campsite. So please do let me know in the comments any municipal sites that you could recommend that we try maybe next time. I hope you found this video useful of our first try of a municipal site. If you have, please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please do give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. And we'll see you on the next video as we arrive in the Bay of Saint-Tropez. Until next time, many thanks and take care.